Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Crimi-Trent. Today we're making a super easy rose heart card tutorial. This would be perfect for Valentine's, for a birthday, for your sweetie, for multiple birthdays, anniversaries, whatever you feel like. It doesn't have to be roses, it could be any kind of flower in here, but it's very easy. So let's get started. All right, so to get started, I took my 100% cotton B paper that's this size. It's like a, I don't know, 6x9 inch paper. I folded it in half, make my card. I taped it down with blue tape on the corners to hold it down. I sketched in a heart. I don't need to show you a tutorial on that because you should be able to draw a heart. I've got my paints here, various colors, and the brush I will be using, probably this one, the long round Princeton Velvet Touch number 8. Maybe the filbert brush number 8. We'll see. So it's a small heart, and I think we'll stick to like maybe roses, since it's could be for Valentine's anniversary, or just someone you love, engagement, whatever. So let's get water on our brush. I have alizarin crimson here, red here, orange, yellow. Gonna take some of the crimson, put it in here, get it fairly loose. Now, here's a trick to doing a rose. I think I've shown this in many tutorials before. I'm gonna zoom in even closer. Get it fairly concentrated. I dab it on my paper towel over here. Pull back a little bit. I always kind of dab it. It's too much. But in the heart, we're going to start with just these little lines like that. And then you want to just clean off your brush, go back in, just get water on it, and just touching the edge and pushing it out like that. Let it bleed if it's too much, and just kind of go around like so. That's one way of making a loose rose. You can just take the paint itself without doing that, and working again with the tip of this brush. Put a line, a dot, another line on here, building lines and leaving spaces around it. You see that? Connecting in some areas, and you got another way of making a rose. Do that over here. Like these half lines that kind of connect. See that? And connect that. Same thing. So you could do either way. You can do it the way I showed you when it really bled pale. You can go back in and get real deep, concentrated with the crimson for even deeper rose, darker. Put a variety of color in there. So pull back a little bit. So we're going to make a bunch of those, leaving some space around them for leaves in this heart. I've done many florals like this on my Instagram. I've showed time lapses of this. If you scroll through my Instagram, you can find the link for that in my about part of YouTube page. I have a lot of different ones in hearts, different florals besides roses. This is going to keep it simple. Just some roses. Again, you want to put more water on the brush to make it even lighter. And you're only filling in the heart area. This is really simple. So you see it taking shape as a heart. And now we're going to go in and add some leaves. Same brush. I have a sap green color here mixed with a little yellow. And I'm going to go in and put some leaves in between So if it bleeds, it's no big deal. That's kind of cool. Just making simple petals. Leaf shapes. My brain is not working well right now. And they can go outside of the heart shape, like you see me painting here. You could paint just even like almost like a stem coming out of the heart over here on top. Give it a variety. Put a leaf there, and you'll paint a bud on the end of that stem, just to give it a nice variety. Keep painting some more leaves. You're filling this in. So we know it's the shape of a heart, but we're adding the leaves. You see that? Now you can keep them that one monotone color, but as you know, as I always speak about this, add another value of that green in there just to change it up. So we're going to keep putting in some of those darker leaves here and there just to punch it up. And see how much it came alive when you added that real deep dark green? Just adds another layer. But if you don't like that look, it's perfectly fine not to do that. And see, some of the roses in here seem blah to me, so I will go back in there, get some of this crimson, deeper, darker. Might add a little plum to it, and go in there in the center. Look at that. Get crazy. Get some real red in there. Punching it up. You can add that bud in. See? Look at that. Sweet little buds. You can punch that one up. The blended one. This would be a nice, if you make a bigger one, a nice gift to give somebody. For your daughter, your mother, whoever. So then we're going to add a little more leaves this way, just to get that point expressed. Look how simple that is. A sweet heart for Valentine's. If you want to pull it out even more, add some buds out this way. And then you can write Happy Valentine's or My Love, whatever you feel like. If you want to add a little yellow in the middle of the rose, go in here and add some yellow. Just to give it some more variety. And like I said, you can do another heart that's multicolored. It doesn't have to be roses. You can do daisies. You know, play around with it. Have some fun with it. This is a super quick tutorial. I mean, super quick. And I hope you liked it. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for stopping by. See how easy? Look at that. Look how easy that was. I swear to God, it was 2 seconds. That's so easy you can make roses. I'm telling you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day.